Hey, what's up guys? So today I have here is a Toshiba 2 TB portable storage. Drag and drop use, plug and play, and 1 year limited warranty. Comes just like that. Nice little small box. Drag and drop use, plug and play. So it'll tell you a little more stuff in the back. So basically 2 TB is 2000 gigabytes. Okay, so I'm gonna use this one for my Xbox, but we will see if it does work, make sure. Okay, so you can see it's a USB 3.2 generation 1. So let's get it open and see what it looks like. Okay, so you have a few manuals, you have a declaration, read more about it, that comes inside the box. Okay, this is basically a little small manual, show you exactly how to connect it and to use it. So in the box you do get the plugging. So this one goes into the portable hard drive, and this goes into the device you're using, laptops or whatever has a USB. Oh, I thought it was a lot bigger because the box looked pretty big. Take it out, and product looks just like this. See Toshiba. Plug your power, basically where you're gonna connect it to. Your Xbox. I'm gonna try Xbox right now. Your laptop, and wherever else gonna USB. A little more details in the bow. Toshiba portable storage. You have a little LED light right here. It's pretty nice. So that is what you will get. Nice little portable hard drive. If you look at a Amazon remote, it's not too big. It's pretty nice. Nice and small and portable. Awesome. So I'm gonna try it on my Xbox. So I'm gonna grab the hard drive, and I'm gonna use something sticky to the bottom so it can stay stuck to the Xbox. So I'm gonna plug it just like this. Turn on my TV. Okay, my Xbox is over here. So connect it to the USB on top. Take it out the little loop. Okay, connect to the USB on top. So you can see that the little LED, it's blue and it's blinking. Okay, now go into my Xbox. Try to zoom back just a little bit so you can see. And just want to make sure that it will work for what I want it for. Usually you use these for school and stuff like that, but I wanted to give it a try if I can see if I can connect my Xbox games. Okay, so we are gonna go into storage. So that will be pretty much in your settings. Okay, so you see right here, say storage. Because my Xbox doesn't have a lot of storage, so I wanted to try if I can get one of these portable ones to make it have more storage. Okay, it doesn't pop up yet. Okay, so you're gonna format it first because you have to make it work for your Xbox. So you can see here, say 1.8 terabyte because it does take some memory to get it going. I'm gonna format it first. I'm gonna leave it as Toshiba. Okay, so you have to install new things. Format storage device. Okay, so it does work. You can see here, now I have 1.8 terabyte free device. So like I formatted it for the Xbox, it works perfectly fine now. Go up a little more. You can see there, because I'm already at 97% out of 365. I have 8.2, so now I have a new one. So now I have 1.8 Toshiba external, and it's ready to go. So this, if you're trying to use this for an Xbox, this will be perfectly fine. It works. Awesome. So now I have a lot of memory again to keep installing.